eh. Dapat pala pinag-isa na lang namin. Di po naman may padala din siya. Sabi naman eh, ano pa yun, sister? Yung ba'y masisira? Yung ba'y... Ay, kasi siya ay parang sabi pa niya, overnight yun eh. Alam mo, ang kanyang sinasabi niya mo sa akin, napapadala niya, first Simon. Ay, di mo.
She's gonna hear the Aussie girl in my GP.
Because I was about to ask her, ano ba yung box na sinasabi? Ano ba yung box na sinasabi na yun? Ako, iniisip ko naman, hindi po pala dito yung mga sisters ko kasi we just came from the Philippines.
Nangutang na nga lang ako. dumating si Bob. Nagkita na kami sa airport. Oh my God.
Ay, come on, Bob. Ayun ba? Ano ka ba naman?
She spanked her like 5 times.
Hindi maayos ang bahay ko! Ano ka ba? Ay, oh God!
This was 2 years ago, right? All over again.
Every year we surprise her.
Somebody's coming, but not my
I'm still
sisters,
filming.
because we just came from the Philippines.
Oh, here.
Except Tete.
Well, no, the human package.
See, I told you not to wait for the package anymore.
Oh my God, I'm crazy. And when we came back from the dinner, I even checked out there. There's no notice. There's no box here.
The postal
And
systems
there is-
are almost broke, so it's hard to deliver on time.
But they said it's a big
You
box.
expect it for snail mail.
Oh my God! I told them no surprises anymore. I might gonna have a heart attack this time. Oh my God! What? Sister, ano ba kainin?
Where
I
did you see
totally
her?
don't see her.
Yeah, right there.